Good morning, team. It's another beautiful day in the AT. It is nice and cool. I cannot say that towards the end of the day, but check what's behind me. It's one of the original halfway points in the AT. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can actually see it better. Wow, this is old because the halfway point this year is 1097.15. And this is 1090.5. And here's an inscription, and because I'm so short, I can completely read it, so hopefully you're able to read it for me. I was wondering where this was, because I've seen this in a lot of videos, but still happy. We made it halfway, team. That's a huge accomplishment. Okay. The plan for today is to make it, I think it's like 14.7 or 0.9, a little short of 15 miles today. And that would put us only about 6 miles to Boiling Springs. Tomorrow we're going in and picking up Grimace's new pack. We have to Uber to Mechanicsburg to pick it up because there's something wrong with the straps on his pack right now, and the maker of his pack is mailing him a brand new one, which is actually super cool. I wish the makers of my pack would send me a new pack. Anywho, and then after that, we're gonna keep going, and don't know how far we're gonna make it tomorrow. It all depends, how long it takes us to pick up the pack and do a little resupply. But I'm very excited because this weekend, on Sunday, my daughter's picking me up. Hopefully I'll be in Duncannon by then, and I get to spend 4th of July with her, which is very exciting. I miss my family very much, and any opportunity I get to spend some time with them, I'm gonna take it. So, all right, team. Beautiful day with a new sense of accomplishment, hitting the halfway mark, and just lots of motivation to continue my journey all the way into the end, even though the end is not close still. But we're gonna get there slow and steady. All right, let's get to hiking. I am walking towards the general store where the half-gallon challenge happens, and I'm gonna wait until they open so I can get some snacks to eat. Hello. They open at 9, so I have about 10 minutes. So we have a couple hikers doing the half-gallon challenge.
Journey's in Illinois. Yeah, but that's pretty close there, right? Yeah. It's got to be within 50, 60 miles.
Yeah, I get.
I'm recording you guys doing the challenge.
I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm heading to the Appalachian Trail Museum. Like, once again, the sign to Katahdin is erroneous. And here it is. I'm excited. I'm pretty certain this is where they have Grandma Gaywood stuff. And I think she is a badass lady. And I admire her a lot. So, if you don't know much about her, look her up. Yeah. So I'm gonna set up my pack here and we are going to go in. This is the stuff she used to hike with.
Said there was another level? I thought you said so. Where is it? Kids level?
I guess this is the original sign. Oh, this is so cool.
Well, it says disarmed.
This right here is a map of all the long distance trails in the United States. Look at this. I want to do them all. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. This is amazing. And I believe this right here is a long trail. It's part of the long trail in Texas. I might do that in the winter. But look at this. I want all the trails. Oh, this is so cool.
Probably will find some. Yeah, they'll find space for that somewhere.
I stayed at this shelter right here.
I know it had like a box of it. I know he was requested. He said he asked to.
So cool.
But
donate.
the last time we were here, wasn't it exhibited?
Excuse me.
I thought it was.
I don't know. No. I know the day he came there.
That's a pretty dress.
Donated because he had other things too.
Ooh, what do we have here?
Okay.
Here's the trail. So I started right here and I have walked all this and going and going and going. Oh, I lost my finger. Going. And once again, I cannot believe I walked this far. And I'm right here. And I still have to walk all this right here. Ooh, this is very bumpy. This is gonna be hard. And that's my final destination, Katahdin. I am so enjoying this. If you're ever in the area, Pine Grove State Park, visit. So this right here was used to make iron. I don't know if you can see this very well, but pretty much it gives a detailed instruction of how the iron was made. Makes sense. Pine Grove Furnace State Park. I get it now. Oh, I tell you what, I thoroughly enjoy the AT Museum and got to see some of the people that paved the way for the AT, and it's just, I don't know, I feel honored to be able to, you know, see the history. And overall, it's just an honor to be walking the same path that they did. I don't know, just like I'm still in a little bit of shock that I've gotten this far. Yeah, and oh, much better out of the sun. And I still have a little bit more to go, so, but I'm ready. Oh, once again, thank you everybody that's following my journey and encouraging me along the way. It means, you don't know how much it means to me to hear your encouragement, and how much it means to me when you tell me that I inspired you. So go out there and try new things. Be fearless, and you'll surprise yourself, just like I have surprised myself. All right, team. I'm gonna hit the bathroom, get some water here at the state park, and hit the trail. I've been here for almost 2 hours, so it's time to go. I still have another 11 and a half to go. All right, see you in a bit. Forgot to videotape. But this is my dinner. I already ate the other half. It is so good. And I am here at, what is this place called again? Green Mountain Grocery Store.
Did you get me on video? I'm really slimy.
Now I did.
Oh, man.
View from inside my tent. I'm already in my tent because of the bugs. Doing stealth camping today. Hi. Today was a pretty good day. A very exciting day for me because I made it to the AT Museum and got to see Grandma Gatewood's stuff, which I'm a huge fan of her. She's inspiring, so that was really cool. Besides that, I got to see a couple hikers try the half ice cream challenge, trying to eat it. I didn't stick around to see them eating, but apparently somebody finished because we heard cheering after we were done looking at the museum. Had a breakfast burger, then a deli sandwich for dinner, and the terrain was fairly easy. AT easy. Besides that, it was a pretty good day, hot, and it's only going to be hotter tomorrow. So, and tonight is supposed to be hot, so good luck sleeping. All right, short day today, 14.9, almost 15. Did walk a little bit extra to get to the deli, but besides that, it was a great day. All right, I hope everybody has a good evening, and I will see you in the morning.